Let's start with the driver information display. We have multiple display themes and customizable display areas. This allows you to see the information you want to see and how you want to see it. There's one button here on the steering wheel that allows you to change the themes. You're looking at what we call the single gauge theme. Next is the dual gauge theme. After that, we move to the Google Maps theme, which allows you to view navigation as you're driving. Next is your driver assistance theme that will show your lane keep assist and your following distance as you're driving. And the last one is called Clean, which gives the driver a minimalist view, just to see your speed and your power usage. In the Driver Information Center single gauge option, there are a couple key pieces of information. We have our battery gauge that shows the remaining range in the vehicle and what battery percent we have remaining. On the right side is your power gauge that shows how much power you're using or capturing through regenerative braking. On either side of the main gauges, we have two tiles of additional information that are customizable.